In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Smart Replies either from Taplio or from LinkedIn using the Taplio extension. First, if you're on Taplio, you need to access one of the engagement feeds, either the people who commented on your posts, the lists of influencers, or your own custom list that you came up with. Anytime you have a comment or a post that you can reply to or leave a comment on, you have a button called Smart Reply here. So clicking on this button, you can generate replies to add value, congratulate, agree or disagree with the comment. So let's say I'm going to agree with this one. And in seconds, it's going to generate a reply for me. So yeah, I like this one, and I can even mention that. And in, I think, less than 10 seconds, I had this comment up and ready. What I can do is also do it from LinkedIn. So let's access LinkedIn here. I'm on the feed. And if you try and comment on any post, so click on comment here, it can be, let's say, another comment. So this one, you click on comment, and you can use the Smart Reply button with the bold here, powered by Taplio from the extension, to do the same thing, like adding value, for example. And it's going to generate a reply in the language of the post. This one's in French, so the reply is in French. If it would have been in English, the reply would have been in English. That's really a great help for you not to have the blank page effect and to engage as much as you can, because engaging is the key for you to expand your reach. That's how to use the Smart Replies.